Here's how to make a back stitch. It's a really useful stitch for outlining. Starting off by splitting my thread, I'm using 3 strands and I'm tying a double knot. You could use a single knot if you're using all 6 strands of thread, but I'm only using 3, so I want a double knot so that my thread doesn't pull through from the back of the work. Then I'm going to thread the needle and we'll be ready to start stitching. Bring the needle up a stitch length away from the start of your work and put the needle back down at the start of the line. Pull all the way through, but not too tightly, and then bring the needle up a stitch length away using my thumbnail as a guide, and put the needle back down right next to the first stitch. Bring the needle up and put it back down right next to the first stitch.